This is the tutorial for the G-Dragon mullet. First, watch the video from the beginning to the end. Then, if you like to use this video for trainings, I'm going to leave some stop signs. When you see these ones, stop and practice the technique. Let's do it! To start, create this sectioning. Use the curve of the head and the natural division of the ear. Use as a reference the comb. We will use the freeform technique with the blade. Cut the desired length on a diagonal forward. For a more radical finish, you can use the clippers with the number 1 or 2. G-Dragon had that look prior to this one with the shaved sides. Detail the perimeter to get a wispy finish. Retouch this section using the texturizing scissors over comb and freeform. The texturizing razors with wide teeth will help you achieve the razor finish look.
Get ready.
Repeat the same technique on the other side. Confirm that both sides are in balance. To cut the bang area, section the hair following the guide on the ear, from side to side. Comb all the hair forward and condense it on the comb with the teeth facing you at the desired length. Using the point cutting technique, cut the hair following the comb without tension. This is really good when the bangs have some calyx.
Get ready.
After that, section the hair with a center part. Cut the sides using the longest part of the bangs as a reference and connect it with the desired length on top of the ear. This will create a diagonal forward. Always keep in mind that the hair will last length when it's dry, at least a finger width. All depends on the density and texture of the hair, so play it safe and leave it longer than planned. Repeat on the other side. To cut the top of the hair, we will use the twin comb technique, condensing the hair on the top and cutting it at the desired length. If your client gets shorter bangs, you can change the angle incrementing from short to long. On the back of the head, to cut the ideal layers for this style, we will use the condensed technique with the two combs, and we will cut vertically the desired length. To connect the top with the back, we will use the same technique on the crown area.
Get ready.
Using freeform with the blade, slide down connecting the length of the top of the ear with the perimeter. Repeat this technique on the other side. To cut the desired length on the perimeter, use point cutting from the right to the left.
Get ready.
To add texture and movement to the style, use the texturizing shears and cut pivoting on a pipe size around the head. To personalize the style, texturize on the direction of the haircut.
Get ready.
Use one product or combination to add volume and texture. On this case, 2 parts of paste and 1 of clay. Comb the product throughout the hair. When the hair is 80% dry, use the brush to smooth the hair, or leave it with the natural texture. Finish the style with hairspray if you want it to last longer.
Get ready.
Hope you got inspired watching this video and learn some cool techniques that you can use. If you get to use any of these techniques, take a picture and send it to my socials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is Angel del Solar sharing with you the G-Dragon mullet.